Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back, my friends. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, welcome. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been an online reseller for almost 10 years on eBay, Poshmark. I'm doing a little stuff on Etsy now. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here and that you found the channel. We have such an awesome reselling community here, so make sure to join in by subscribing. Today's video is about selling swimwear online. I'm going to do an unboxing from Backstock. Backstock is a wholesale liquidation company. You can Google them online. I'm not an affiliate, but I do have a link below for $5 off your order. So, hey, $5 you'll save. I've ordered from them a lot. If you're curious about Backstock, on my channel, I have other videos from them. They're really inexpensive, but they're a little different. You get a membership and then it allows you to shop on the site, and they have some amazing deals. I've done really well. So I thought I'd also share my tips and tricks for selling swimwear online. I've been selling swim, both pre-owned and new with tags, for years, and I've learned a few things along the way. So I figured I'd do an unboxing of the Backstock wholesale order and share what I have learned about selling swimwear on sites like eBay and Poshmark while I'm doing the unboxing. And it's spring here, so I put on this spring top for you.
That's for you. Yeah, it's all pink
with giant bell sleeves and lace and stuff. I thought we'd have fun with that. Yeah. Also, if you're new, stay tuned to the end of the video where I always include my bloopers so we can have fun and laugh at how many mistakes I make while trying to make YouTube videos. You make too many mistakes in these videos. You're ridiculous. Yeah, you're out of here. Okay, so let's open the box so you see what it looks like and how it comes, and then I'll give you the details of the box. Okay, so this is all new with tag swimwear, so that's awesome. I haven't had the opportunity to have a lot of new swimwear in my store. Everything in the box was $5. One of the swimsuits was $4, but $5 for a new with tag swimsuit. They had a ton on there. I don't know if they still do because I ordered this back in February. That was smart, Quenby. Here's a little tip as a reseller, shop out of season. Now, shopping in February for swimsuits is not out of season. That's just being like prepared and ready. But if you're out there sourcing or online sourcing, not many people are sourcing in April for jackets and sweaters. So you might consider buying that stuff because you might get the best pick of stuff because no one's really looking at it at the stores, or really great deals. Okay, let's get into it. I will pop up on the screen if I have like a stock photo or any info. I think I really focused. Oh no, we're gonna hear this. Oh, I ripped the bag. It'd be nice to like send it in this bag, but oh well. And it's gonna make a crinkle noise. Yeah. Okay. This is a size 12, and the brand is Dream Suits by Miracle Brands. Now, this is not the same thing as a Miracle Suit. Miracle Suits, gosh, if you can get those, they resell really well. But I just chose the cutest styles. I think I have some stock photos, so I'll pop those up. For $5, a size 12 dream suit. Look at how cute. This is a high-waisted one piece with a halter neck. It's got padding, so this will do just fine. So one of the things about selling swim that's so great is that swim, unlike other products, people don't always need a name brand swimsuit. I found people shop a lot on size and style. So like in clothes, you might just search by your brand, but I don't think people care as much about the brand on the swimsuit. So selling new with tag is great. I will use the stock photo. $5. I mean, even if I can sell that for 25 bucks, then I make a great profit. Look at the print on this one. This is like an animal print. This is by Beach Betty. So all the tags are on here. This is so awesome. I use stock photos and I try and alter them a little bit just because they might be copyrighted. But when I have new with tag stuff, size extra large brown, I might keep some of these. Look at how cute. A one piece, and it's got the side ties so you can adjust it, and then look at the back. With the ties there, that is an attractive suit. And I love this style. So I'm a very curvy, probably size 12 myself, and I like straps like this because if you have a larger chest, the halter, the one that goes around the neck, can be very difficult to wear. So I like some that have straps that go over their shoulders. That's so cute. Let me tell you, friends, just checking in to make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. We have a great reseller community. I do a ton of educational reseller content, as well as unboxings and a live every Friday night. And we want you to join us in our community here. So hit subscribe. If you turn on the bell, you actually get notifications about videos, which is really, really helpful, especially for live. So please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm going to adjust the camera a bit because I think it might be a weird angle, but I don't really know. That's the one thing about this new camera. I got it upgraded and got the Canon M15. If you're a YouTube creator, content creator, I did a year and a half of YouTube just using my phone and it was fine. But if you do decide to upgrade, this is the Canon M15. It's linked in my description section where all my favorite tools are linked. And it's really great for vlogging. A lot of YouTubers seem to love this camera. But anyway, let me tell you a little bit. Mostly I've sold pre-owned swimsuits in the past. And there are a few tips if you want to sell pre-owned swimsuits. Number one, you have to look them over very carefully for stains or flaws, including the crotch.
I really didn't want to have to use the word crotch in my YouTube video, but I couldn't think of another word.
So you have to look pre-owned swimsuits over very carefully. When you sell a pre-owned suit, I think more than anything else you sell, people want it to be pristine, excellent condition. People don't want a swimsuit that has any real like stain or damage. So check that area out well. Also check the seat of the swimsuit because people sit on the edge of the pool. It can get lots of pills and things and pulls. So check the crotch, check the seat, and check the elastic. So pull it out because sometimes a pre-owned swimsuit that's been washed a few times, especially in hot, it'll be all stretched out or the elastic will be cracking. So you have to do that more with swim. You know, it's almost like selling underwear. It has to be really great condition. So check those areas if you're doing pre-owned. But, oh my God, this one's so cute. Another dream suit by Miracle Suit. This one is a size 14, so I'd consider that like an XL. Look how cute that is. Kind of like a tropical print. And this one's got a little belt on it. Oh my gosh. If you fall in love with one of these swimsuits, just message me. I sell to my viewers, my friends here all the time. I just send you a PayPal invoice. It's not a problem. Just let me know and I can sell it to you directly. But yeah, so tips on selling pre-owned is like check the condition really well. But the thing that is another great tip is that often swimsuits at the thrift store are really cheap. That's one of the other benefits of selling pre-owned swim online because they don't mark it up usually. Usually swimsuits at my thrift store are in the section with like pajamas, slips, just random stuff, and they're usually really inexpensive. And I'll tell you my favorite brands to sell, but first check out this baby. Oh my God, I love this. Look at the print, the geometric. And this one almost reminds me like a retro bathing suit. The cut on it, and then it's black in the back. Beach Betty Miracle brand size 1X. That's awesome. Like plus size swimsuits, there's a tip for you. Look for plus size. Another tip I have about selling swim is that, so it'll be inexpensive usually. You don't have to pay a lot for it. The other is that you can sell separates. Like you don't have to have the top and the bottom. If you have just the top and it comes down to like the waist, that's called a tankini. And those sell well. People mix and match. So if you see a swimsuit you like and it's in really great condition and it's inexpensive, you can sell just the bottom. I'm always very clear detail in my listings where I'll say bottom only selling the bottom. I put it, obviously it's not in your photos, but I put it in words too. This is a dream suit and it's a size 18W, so that's like a 1X. A nice blue, this one's got padding. Super cute. These kind of look a little bit retro to me, some of these. I love that. So yeah, inexpensive. You can sell separates. Now some of my favorite brands. Oh, I got that one in another color too. I got that one again, maybe in another size. So I got an 18W and I got two 18Ws in that one. I don't know why I did that. My favorite swimsuits to sell that have done consistently well, in my experience, are more classic brands. So swimsuit brands that sell really well for me are J. Crew, LL Bean, Land's End. You can find the brand Miracle Suits. Those sell for a lot, like 40 bucks for a pre-owned suit. I did order some from Jomar, so when that box gets here, I'll unbox it for you. But of Miracle Suits, that's awesome. But those classic brands do really well for me. LL Bean, J. Crew, and Land's End. The swim skirts do great, the swim shorts. And a lot of people like modest bathing suits, like the shorts and the skirts. So some of the other ones like Jansen or La Blanca, like there's just too many. Those don't sell as well for me for some reason, but those classic ones do great. Ooh, this is nice. I might try this on. Dream suit, size 16W, so it's not my size. Just a classic black suit, and look at the strappy back. That's awesome. Oh, I have more in here. Wow, I got a lot of these. For $5 each though, you guys, I'm gonna make so much money on these. Oh, this is Target brand. Okay, I'm really excited about these. I don't know if they still have them on the site, but you can go look and see. I'm ripping the bag. These bags stink. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this one. It's like a corally color, and then it has a little ruffle at the strap here. It's kind of hard to show. I wonder if I can find stock photos for you guys. That is really, really cute. It's new at tags, Shade and Shore. It retails for $35. Have you guys gone into Target to buy swimsuits? They're pricey. I think they are, but I'm super frugal. Like, I'm cheap. Cheap. Cheap is good. This is a size large. I might try this on. I like wearing just a more modest one piece at the pool, like when I go with Torvald. We belong to a health club with a pool, and I just feel more comfortable when I'm chasing after my kid and playing badminton in the pool to have like some full coverage. This is another one by Shade and Shore. I wish I got more of these. For $5, they retail for $35. Even if I get $20, that's an awesome return. I'm gonna go see if they have more.
Don't beat me there. No, just kidding.
That's why I make these videos. I share all this stuff. I have had people message me and be like, why are you sharing the best places to source online? You're ruining it for people. No, I don't agree with that. There's enough for everybody. There's plenty. I bought this back in February. If you go on there now, there's gonna be something totally different on the site. So there's plenty for everybody. This is a size large too. This is a blue and it has like a lace-up detail. Super cute, but look at, there's like no bum coverage on that one. So look at how narrow that is. That's like popular now. Like I think they call that cheeky or hipster. Yeah, you can Google another tip for selling swim. When I'm listing, I just Google like swim style charts so that I can put the right names in, because there's like the hipster bottom. Obviously there's like thong, full coverage. You know, there's all these different keywords, and it's easy to just pull up a chart, and then when I'm listing, I can put the right keywords in my title. So that's my swim haul. I think I did awesome for $5. Check out Backstock if you're interested. And thanks for being with me. This was super fun. If you have any other tips that might help resellers in our community sell swim, or any experience you have, drop it in the comments so we can all learn from you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Itch, itch, itch. Sometimes I'm still shocked that they like let me make videos. Like I'm just waiting for someone from YouTube to be like, you know what, Quemby, these videos aren't good. You make too many mistakes in these videos. You're ridiculous. Yeah, you're out of here. I love some swim. 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 I have such a huge pile of stuff here. My office is like a nightmare. It's so fun to do the unboxing, and I'm like, bathing suit, throw, 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 and then my office is like a big pile. Did you, like, are these like ridiculous or what? I love a sleeve, and 2021 sleeve, ruffle sleeve, bell sleeve, any kind of embellished sleeve, hot, hot, hot. I have my reselling tools for sale over there. Yeah, I'll cut that out. Okay, so buy plus use, that's like it's like selling seashells by the seashore, plus size swimsuit, sell plus size swimsuits. Yeah. Yeah. You're welcome. Love you guys.